Oh, no drop. Oh, y'all can't even hear that. Shit. There we go. Hold up. Alright, now you should be able to hear the next song. Pretty soft. Alright, I think we're good. Wait, hold up. There's one more. There we go. Oh man. What's up? Oh, you're behind me. Yeah, there we go. Nope, still behind. There we go. No, the hell? Oh, here we go. I'm well. Best coding LLM just released on the ADA benchmark today. It's actually a combo of the two new OpenAI LLMs, O3 on high reasoning and GPT 4.1. So O3 is being run as like the architect here, where it like makes the plan and does the analysis, and GPT 4.1 is kind of trained to be like an agent to do things fast and efficiently and cheaper. And yeah, it outperforms O3 by itself by 3 to 4%. SOTA, state of the art, another way to say best. I was actually, yeah, thinking of should I change the title? Put a 1 in the chat if you know what SOTA meant before this stream. Or 2 if you didn't know. I think I can change the Twitch chat. Best. Number 1. There we go. This is like the first time I felt like we can do clickbait kind of stuff. Shout out Zay for that question before. O3 high and GPT 4.1. We're going to go into the details because I had a look at this before starting and there's some interesting stuff. But yeah, just letting people join at the moment. It's pretty good. I think like the Instagram fam get like the notification and just jump on. I don't know if the TikTok fam of like don't get it or they turn it off. Zay says, I've been using Claude. Wait, can you guys hear this?
No way. I've been Claude as architect in Gemini for more specific changes. Then 4.1 for debugging.
Okay. I don't know if they've tried that combo. So they're just benchmarking it now in Ada. Discord. Let me see what can I do here. Um, yeah, also Gemini 2.5 Flash came out today. It's not as smart as Pro, it's about 51%. I think we couldn't match their score. We got like, how can I see this better? Where's the score? Wait, what is that? Here. Oh yeah, 51%. 40%. It's interesting how varied the benchmarks are on the Ader Polyglot leaderboard. And then also all hands today on X said they have the new best state-of-the-art SWE agent at 66.4%. But it's not on the SWB website just yet. So I don't know. Maybe we'll see it tomorrow. We'll see. Pretty exciting though. I do want to try an agent. Do they still have the clouds? All hands cloud or something? Yeah, open hands cloud. This one. I wonder if they have the state of the art agent on this. Last name, Tickfriend. Oh, sick. This is pretty good. I have not tried this. Anyone in chat tried this? Yo, thanks for the like, Zay. Chrono. AKA. Anyone use Plandex? Not me. I've heard of it though. Do you use it? MTV? Try O3 today. Yeah, the thing about O3 and O4 is they're expensive. Like, look at O3 by itself. Cost $110 for this run. In comparison, Gemini is pretty cheap at $6. More than like 15 times as much. Plandex has 2 million token effective context. Wait, what model are they? They have their own model? Man, I need a standing desk. My traps are working. Yeah, okay. So we were gonna look through this before I got distracted with the Open Hands web app, which looks pretty good. Um, let's add the 100x orchestrator to it. I'm pretty tempted to try that. This has been in my like testing grounds for AI agents. Let me do this over here. Wait. All right. I think it'll work now. Yeah. Um. Ooh, increased test coverage. That's pretty cool. Auto merge PRs, fix README, clean dependencies. Siddharth, oh, thanks so much.
You're awesome.
Been coming through every stream. Appreciate it, bro. Askar with the rose, thank you.
We need dual integration for a big thinking model and general LLM to build together in Cursor.
Yeah, I'm sure they're working on that, or they already do that. I was
thought you were in Australia.
Until like 3 months ago. I've been in the Bay, particularly SF. I want to try. So I've been giving all these agents the same task. Uh, where is it? Oh, here. I even asked CodeRabbit. I'm like, can you look at this? I should have said, can you implement this? I don't know if that would have changed. Well, yeah, make sure we can specify any provider with light LLM. I don't know, like this is kind of a tricky one because it like needs to know about which API keys and stuff. And it also has like a way to search, like test if they can scrape the URL. CodeRabbit was able to do it, which was pretty good. Let's see what, I don't know what model this is. I mean, agent. Previously on OpenHands, you could pick different types of agents. You probably still can, but I haven't looked through the settings. We're just running it on default.
Are you have any recommend job portal in Australia over LinkedIn?
Um, job portal. I think Indeed. Is that what it's called? No, is that an international one? Australia does have one I used. I don't think I got anything useful. Oh, maybe it might be Indeed. That's what comes to mind. We had. I think it was something else as well. Okay, this agent's going at it. Can we see like what it's doing in the terminal and stuff? Not really. Yes? Oh yeah, we can. It's pretty sweet. How is the mobile friendly? Oh, that's pretty good. But now you can't see that other view, but that's okay. Because now we can go switch like this to Discord. Okay, and then still has Chrome selected. Then I need to use the mouse. Should we look at the, yeah, I keep getting distracted today. The details of the model. Yes, we will do that very soon. Yo, Hertzfeld, what's up?
You! Where them pirates?
DSpy is great for interchangeable LLM prompt context. Okay, that's a good tip. MCP servers forward.
MCP servers are still in early stages. Hopefully we get more support with other programs.
Yeah, but it seems like it's still trending MCP, so I think it's just gonna keep growing.
Hey man, what you up to?
I think my YouTube chat is not connected again. I realized that way too late. Oh no, it's here. No, it's not. It wasn't. Sorry. Sorry to the YouTube chat. The burrito again. Tensor. I don't know if I'm ever gonna remember. I remember your like Ilya picture in the Discord. Okay, we should have YouTube now though. Oh, but Instagram ended. The fuck? Like Instagram end. Okay. Got cancelled on Instagram. It happens. Um yeah, we're gonna look into the details. If you just join, it's O3 and GPT-4 1 together. And yeah, there's some things I wanted to see in the details, and this one is awesome. The amount of errors and like miss like formatted outputs was pretty low. Like no misformatted ones and only 9 errors. In comparison, you look at like GPT 2.5, which was the previous state of the art. It actually got 21 errors and 92% cases not well formed. Pretty much, I think when this happens, one of these 8% of these cases, you actually like Aider doesn't apply the edit, so it asks the LLM to make it again. It's like another API call. I'm pretty sure that's what happens. Can I make a Windows app? Yeah. Or macOS app. You could use a framework to make those. Proof of work's creating an app.
I'm creating an app where I use LLM API but always have errors because of JSON. The response is all wing.
Yeah, okay. Manus, yeah, it's cool. Still has a ways to go. What are we doing? We're looking at this new state-of-the-art combo O3 and GPT-4.1. $69. More efficient than just O3. I think O3's percentage well formed is even worse than Gemini 2.5. Because I think 4.1 is a really good like editor model. Really like trained on writing code essentially. Whereas O3, like there's a lot of like science reasoning and stuff as well. It's less focused on code. That's my understanding. Which platform is the best to make a Windows app? From your crypto web app. From web apps, people normally use Electron. I think at one point, or even still, VS Code is even built in Electron. I think I. What do you guys think of the chat highlight in front of my face? I think it should be behind. Let's see. Tool calling with chain of thought is crazy, but then you can't read it. So I guess it needs an audio aspect as well, which is good. Chill Stallion, what's up?
Sup, bro?
Yeah, so that was one thing. The amount of errors seems really low with this combo. Let's look at 4.1 by itself. Let's see if that confirms my suspicion that the like percent formatted on that should be pretty good. Here we go. 98, okay. So not 100%, but yeah, with the right guidance, with the right architecture model, 100%, that's pretty good. Also, another thing I've come to know with this leaderboard, it seems like every time you run this test, it's kind of, you know, some plus or minus a few percent at best. That's, I guess that's just because LLMs are undeterministic, but yeah. Hey, Julian Wagner.
Finally, somebody using Aider on TikTok.
I think I was the first to use Aider on TikTok and YouTube, maybe. When was my Aider video on YouTube? There might be like one or two others. Let's go here. Ooh, 1 year ago.
Aider is something that I wanted to.
Oh shit, let's see the
So
date.
Aider is something that I wanted to make myself, which is actually
July 16, 2023. That's like 2 years, dude. It's crazy. Ada was like one of the first AI coding assistant, open source, amazing tools. And it still is really good. And it's so amazing that the leaderboard has become like a standard now that people include, like OpenAI include, companies include rather. The big companies, yeah, OpenAI, Gemini, Google, they've both included OpenAI leaderboard. I mean, oh my god, I'm jumbling. They've both included the Aider leaderboard in their like releases of like O3 and Gemini 2.5. Can I read it? What do you mean? Oh, freeze an agent disguised as a model. That'd be interesting. That could definitely work too. On YouTube, you have plenty of room above your head. Okay, you're right. Thank you for pointing that out. The thing is, like, if you type a really long message, it goes upwards. If I... Hold on, I might be able to flip that. Yeah. Um, I'm just gonna make it a bit smaller. Yo, Mr. Grades, we're looking at the new best coding model Duo 04, I mean 03 and 3.1. Yeah, I think actually we're wrapping up. So TLDR, it's the best by quite a lot more than um like the other companies, like a whole 10% more almost. And like the combo gives like way fewer errors, but it is a lot more expensive as well. I was looking at this model, Grok 3 Mini, 99% well formed, 1% error, and it's 73 cents to run the benchmark. I was thinking this is actually pretty underrated. Oh, you can go high as well. That's even better. Is that less errors? About the same. Grok 3 Mini bit. Very cheap. But then DeepSeek V3 is just as cheap. But look at their errors. Oh, 99. Okay. 32 error outputs. What was Grok? Mm, one error output. That's a big difference. Okay. So yeah. 04 Mini free high in windsurf. 04 Mini high free in windsurf. Uh, I can't read this stream or speak. It does tool calling within a chain of thought. Okay. Then I guess that makes it an agent, not just an LLM. It's an LLM by the traditional definition was just next token. Like it could write that it wants to call a tool, but the tool calling and execution all happens outside of the neural network that predicts the next token. So if that's the case, they could be running a different model underneath. I don't know. You get 150 USD credit for free with the Grok Beta API. That's sick. Websites for job ops. Um, in software engineering, obviously LinkedIn, I think, is one that everyone says. I haven't been job searching, to be honest. Then I reckon, like, you'd probably have a better chance finding something local as well compared to like people applying not locally, even if it's like a remote job. So getting into like networking in person. Software engineering also. Also, I don't know, I've never done it, but I've always wondered if anyone ever does like Replit bounties and other bounties like that, where you just do like small jobs. Also Upwork for like money like that. To you, McGee, what's up? I'm dropping frames. That's what you get. Yeah. Okay. What else is what I want to talk about? Also, I have a paid work channel in my Discord, but it's not that active. Like I posted some stuff. Oh, look at Mercor.com. They seem to be doing a lot of volume for some pretty good companies. So, um, you could apply for work here as well. They did like an AI interview to me. I should have recorded it on stream because I was literally talking to like an AI, and it went off topic, and I had to like instruct it to get back on topic, and we are like going over time. I already linked this one, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Dude, Pierre's not. Pierre, you prefer to dump in general now? I made this link stump for Pierre. It was actually going pretty well. I think I'm starting to use it more than general for just dumping links. Because that's what it's for. But Pierre keeps posting his shit in general now. Okay. No problem, man. No, he's good though. He's been posting some real good shit. Thanks for sharing. Anyway, I prefer you post rather than not. Link for the Discord? Yeah, go to techfriend.net and press the Discord button. And then I think on Twitch, if you're on Twitch, you can do exclamation mark Discord and it'll come in the chat. It'd be cool if I had like a custom Discord URL, but I think you need like a bunch of boosts for that. Or like a bunch of members. How does it work? Invites. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, like and sub. Did I speak about Grok? Yeah, I was saying it was really good at not producing errors. I think it'll be a good agentic model like Grok 4 Mini. It was so cheap. I want to try it. Is it on Open Router? Yeah, Grok 3 Mini beta. And apparently you get like 150 tokens for 3. Yo, thanks Saturn. Appreciate you. I mean 150 USD for free. Beta. 3 API beta. Whoa, what is this? Grok.com. Okay, this is different to. They have any posts about it? Oh, also my all hands is done. Oh, let me use Perplexity. Find the find any blogs, announcements, articles about Grok, GROK, and giving away 150 or so credits. I mean, dollars worth of credits. Okay. Ah, see how clean that Aqua Voice made that so clean. I was like, and then do this, but don't do that. And then there's no ums or ahs here. Beautiful. Okay. Here's the post. How to get $150 worth of free credits. Grok. 7 days ago. Oh shit, is this beta new? Dude, that's crazy. Silly tablet. Grok 3 beta, $150. How does an AI agent search the web? Does that not cost a fortune in API calls? It can. Depends how. Like, AI agents can execute tools. These tools can be any code. It could be a code that calls an expensive API, or it could be code that the like script itself tries to make the information a cheaper way without using an API, like Playwright and stuff. It's headless browsers. Yeah. Okay. So I was using all hands for the first time in a while. It looked really good. I gave it nice. It's performing the test. It ran a bunch of commands, did an analysis. Let's read what it did. I said, make sure we can specify multiple providers with Light LLM. For one of my projects, it was currently like it only used the Open Router API key. I've like, we want to use everything. Based on my analysis, I can see Light LLM class is currently hard coded to use. Okay, did an analysis and made its own implementation. Nice, it's got all the keys here we could want. This is pretty good. And then it ran tests. Excellent. This is all done on their cloud. I didn't have to download anything. Pretty impressed with this. Now, can it make a PR? Oh, yes, it can. Push and create PR or push to branch. Let's create a PR. I approve of this app. Post that. Okay. Apparently it's created the pull request. Let's have a look. Open now. Yep, this is it. Let me have a manual look over it. This actually looks way better than the other one. Now I'm gonna ask CodeRabbit to do a review. How do I get back into? Okay. So I've got my pull request from my AI agent, all hands. It was very impressive. This is the first time I've used it in a while. Only 2 prompts, and we've gotten, well, actually 1 prompt. Yeah, actually 1 prompt, 1 shot PR. It even ran the tests and wrote new tests to confirm that it works. And then created a PR for me. So I've done this before with a different agent, and I got CodeRabbit to look at it. Now, oh, review skip draft detected. Yeah, this is the first one that I've had after installing CodeRabbit. So CodeRabbit immediately reviews everything. Well, I thought it did, but apparently you need to check the setting in the repository. Or we can just tag it to trigger a manual review. I wonder if we can also compare it to the previous pull request I had. No, we'll just do a review. Lazy loves Code Rabbit. You been using it? I think there's multiple like, you know, competitors. It'd be so interesting to have them all. Like you'd be like, all right, Code Rabbit, Sweep, this one, GitHub, Mentat. I think Mentat works on GitHub as well. There was a point when Mentat was topping Sweetbench, right? At least I thought they did. Might have been a while ago. I don't see them anymore. It's pretty interesting how like Sweetbench isn't more of a standard. Um, like it is the standard. I can't deny that, but I don't know what I'm trying to say here. Like, okay, what I think what I'm trying to say is it's not easy to run, even for the ADA benchmark, as an individual trying to verify your own configurations. At least for me, could be user error. Oh shit, this dude backdoored cursor. Oh, John Hammond, I know this guy, I think. He's like a cybersec content creator, yeah.
Is an Electron-based app. And what that means is
I knew it was Electron based. I said that earlier this stream. Thought so. Is it expensive to run? 03? Kang Hawar, welcome. Yeah, I think this All Hands is using Sonnet. That's what they said in their tweet. Where is it here? Yeah, using Claude 3.7. I wonder how they do with O3 and I want to try. Oh, I think I can do it. I want to try R1 and Grok Mini. I think that'll be the optimal configuration for the cheapest like thing on Ader Poly. R1 50 like $5.42 for the whole thing. I think if we had, yeah, I think we could get it down to like $2. Emily, thanks for the follow. Oh no, is this a scam? Oh, this is. Someone replied to Emily Fryer. She lost her cat or something. Joker, what's up?
Hey, AJ.
Hey, hey. Okay. So, yeah. I think we did what I wanted to do. Any questions? Any questions? Oh, let's see if you guys can see this. Hey. Oh, damn, that's crazy. Nice. No, that is huge, even for
I know this
someone that
isn't a
can
huge
code.
deal to someone that can code, but I interface my LLM to Discord and
Yo, get carded. What's up?
what's up, tech friend?
Yeah, not much, man. We got the new state-of-the-art models carded if you just join O3 High and GPT 4.1. And yeah, I just wanted to make a stream, chat about it for a bit. Oh, thanks for the gift, Joker. And we did that. He tagged me in the new Grok prompt IDE. Oh yeah, I think I saw that. It was yeah. Everyone's making an IDE or an assistant right now. Yeah. I wanted to one other thing I wanted to talk about. Is this it? Yeah, Ada Sweetbench. This is another thing I want to run. It's been 10 months since this was touched on. Um, I'll have to ask Paul if he has any thoughts about it. We will see. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I want to get a good like Discord bot specifically for my like type shit. Tech friend agent. Oh, that's something we can do. So, hold on, let me find something. So, yeah, here. How do we check this out? Oh wait, this. This is the avatar. The new tech friend. Oh, I didn't realize there's a square around him. Oh no, there isn't. Can we animate this dude on HeyGen? Let's see.
Play YouTube music. Create images has memory and can run small snippet of code.
Nice. Joker's avatar. I mean, Discord bot. Alright, create a new avatar from photo. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is crazy. Should I remove the podium? Yeah. Let's just get full body shots. Pretty much everything here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if this works. All these examples are not what we're doing. Tiny Dino. Thank you, Clarden. Why is that playing? Yo, Bella, good morning. GM. What site? This is HeyGen. Damn, only one of my photos got approved. Alright. See if we can do it with just one. Alright, this is called Pucko J. It's age. I don't know. It's like a tiny early middle age. And these Middle Eastern. Hey, thanks for the gift, Christian. Ask ChatGPT to give all angles. Yeah, I did most of it with. I did the very first image. I think it is this one. No, it's not this one. With ChatGPT. Oh shit, no. I just gave it a random voice. I think it's fine. No face detected. Damn, I couldn't use that one. Click here to appeal. I'll try it. Oh, this isn't even my... Or did I cancel my plan? Yeah, I don't think this is the account I use. There was also Hedra. Let's try Hedra. I think we can do it easier on this, but we might have to pay. Which is okay, you know, we'll do it. I'll do the pay. If it's cheap enough. Oh shit, 30 goats by Christian. Now we gotta answer that question. But why isn't it playing the question here? Can you guys... My TTS died. Wonder if, yeah. Anyway, he asks, have you found any good competitors to LTX Studio? Is that a image gen one? Oh, this is like a full story one. I haven't tried any of those, to be honest. Sorry about that. I've been using like individual tools that are cheap and free, like Kling and AI Studio. And I don't know, what did I just use? I tried to use HeyGen. This thing that I'm about to do is going to cost money. I'm not doubting that. Hedra character 3. I think this is what I want. Let's add one of the podium ones. I think this is pretty... Whoa, it actually selected all of them. One of these podium... Oops. Prompt your character. Create a video character. Add an audio script and a reference character. Okay. Oh, here we go. I didn't have drag and drop. Where's the podium? Download. And then can we talk an audio script? Record audio. Hey friends. Pororo. Yeah, it's actually stole it from Pocoyo. This guy. I mean, stole might be illegal, so I was inspired by Pocoyo. You can see mine is very similar. But it's a blue hoodie instead of a whatever you call this hat. Okay. Let's get a script written about what do you think the first thing someone that wants to get into vibe coding should learn, or like AI coding? I missed some comments here. I need to take a specific aesthetic from an AI agent and form it into a character and storyboard. Like the aesthetic already exists, and then you need to make it into a story. Yeah, I know there's some that make that, but yeah, I haven't used it. I haven't even used LTX, so. Free AI access project to school kids. Nice. What's the code? Drop the name. Prompting, yes. ChatGPT. But like before that, you need prompting. It's not about the tool, it's about the skill. Right? Okay. Let's go think. Deep search. Get all the great tips on prompting. Rate them 1 to 20. And make the top 10 into a short video script for complete beginners we gotta have at least some basis of knowledge. Like, so if they like tech, they'll probably like that, like gaming, video games, and like pop culture, TVs and movies, TV shows and movies, TV and movies, like celebrities and artists. Okay, let's try that. We're trying all the platforms. There's so many free deep researches now that we can just try them all. Okay, we're off. Will you help my app prompt engineer? I don't know, Ted Bagger. I think the chances are low. Version control? No, that's like step 2. I think I definitely agree prompting is step 1. I can't think of something you'd need to know before prompting. Like how to install stuff. You can prompt the AI to help you do everything. Like once you know how to prompt, the AI can take over. So that's why. Okay, where's the video script here? Here are the top 10 tips for prompting. Be specific. Provide context. All right, let's go. Make a fun mnemonic and song so we can present the top 10 tips for prompting in a childish song. All right, let's see what it says. Act as if. It's also like, I think for this channel, it doesn't have to be super technical at all. Like it's actually supposed to be not technical. But yeah. Yo, Ergo, what's up? We going to that hackathon? I feel like Gemini 2.5 really good. Yeah, it is really good. Yep. V0, of course. I think I was one of the first YouTubers to use V0. I'm gonna say. Back when that shit was exciting, you know? Oh man. This was there was a time, it was like the same time that Sonnet 3.5 came out. The first Sonnet 3.5. That's when we went from like 30% Aider leaderboard to like 50%. And you could really feel it. When was that? Oh, it's a live stream? Must be a live stream. I feel like the live streams need to be cut up. This one. V0.
Yes.
This isn't after it came out, it's a bit after, but it's after Sonnet 3.5 was getting good. What? June 2024. Damn, it's been like a year.
This.
I feel like I really feel the acceleration in like April, June period for the past 2 years with AI. It feels like this period we're in right now for the past 2 years has been like when shit really accelerated. Anything better than V0? I really like Lovable out of like V0, Bolt and stuff. But these things change so much. Like Bolt has added so much shit since I've tried it. So maybe Bolt is just as good. And now Bolt has like a $1 million hackathon. Yeah. So could be anything. Tentacle Pink, good to see you. Bro had a glow up. You mean from here? Yo, bro, it's just a more intense haircut than was already. But no, bro's been grinding. All right, I need a script for this. Be specific. Okay, we got the song here. Super cool prompts rock for incredible edits. Super cool prompts rock for incredible. Super cool prompts, incredible edits. Super cool prompts rock. How about just super cool prompts rock? Personas, interactive refinement, context specific. This is really good. Okay. Um, we're just gonna freestyle. I think I gotta sound like a kid. How this is gonna go. Where's Hedra? Here. All right. For context, I'm making. Well, I'm trying to. This is my first time trying it. I'm trying to make a little clone for beginner, non-technical content that leads up to my content. And yeah, so we've asked Grok and we've come up with a mnemonic. Be specific, provide context, use personas, and interactive refinement. Super cool prompts rock. SPR. Maroon 5 type has song. Yeah. I know also in Suno you can upload like a reference. Let's see if we can try that. Custom. Add audio. Record audio. Oh, dude, check us out. Super cool prompts rock. Yeah, super cool prompts. They really rock. Super cool prompts rock. Super cool prompts. They really rock. One, super, be specific. You need to be specific and communicate what you want. Two, be cool. Provide all the context that it needs to know that's what you want. Three, prompts, personas. Act as if you're an expert in XYZ. All right. Let's try that. Give it auto tune. I'm hoping Suno it just takes that and makes it actually sound good. We will see. I want to talk to a local LLM using Olama. What tool would you recommend? Can't you just talk to it with Olama? Or do you need something external? I use Llama File. That's like a super lightweight, portable, executable. Wait, what happened? Oh, here it is. Super cool prompts, rock. Auto. Wait, do I need to write? Oh, I need to write the lyrics. Oh, let me just go auto. Super cool prompts, rock. Jingle. Meme. Funk. Jazz. Funny. Okay. Did it start? Oh, technically you meant text to speech, speech to text. Oh, on top of, oh, you want to like visually, I mean, not visually, like, how do you go, auditory? Talk to your local models on Olama. Great question. What's a good platform for that? Big AGI? There's got to be something better now. Wait. No, no, no. You want like real-time STT and real-time TTS local GitHub. This is what you want. Wait, but they're not together. I don't actually know, to be honest. GitHub projects that provide voice conversation functionality on top of Olama. We'll find out for you. Voice chat AI. Yeah, okay, do this one. I'll post it in the Discord and links dump. I've been posting some fire links. I think someone's posted this before in Links Forum. But yeah. Anyway. This is taking a lot longer than a normal song does. It might also, I'm not sure how it will do with music. All right, I'm just gonna speak a non-song thing here. This is the number one thing. This is the number one thing you have to learn when. Wait, I wonder how long I can go for. The number one thing you should learn when. Oops. The number one thing you should learn. The number one thing you should learn in a world. The number one thing you should learn in our current world of AI is prompting. The number one thing you should learn in our world of AI is prompting. Okay, let's just do this. Ooh, voice changer.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end, may also be the beginning.
Love all, trust a few.
Government of the people, by the people.
I believe that we are fundamental.
Life isn't about finding.
If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door.
Just trust yourself, then you will.
Never mistake motion for action.
Hey, I'm Aracita. I might be a little ditzy, but I'm a lot of fun and the life of the party. Search Aracita.
Yep. I just really want to hear that one. Prompt the gestures, speaking from a podium to a crowd. All right. I wonder how long like I could have made the audio and how much more it would have cost. Try to deep research that? Yeah, you can try. It's your question. Hugging face is also a good option. Maybe not for that stuff, but for this. Like, do we have hugging face, photo to video, like character, like portrait? It's like portrait to video. Cause I'm pretty sure this hedger one is like specifically for like scripts and stuff and lip sync. Sesame. Is that? I think that's just a TTS. Oh, I guess yeah, actually. Oh, you need a speech text to speech to text as well. All right, this might take a wee bit. And I've hit the hour mark. I was actually about to use Gemini on another thing, but I was hoping Suno would make that song. It's normally really fast when you just prompt it normally, but oh. I don't know if it's lost that one because I closed the tab. That's a real shame. Oh, we got Hedra. Here we go.
The number one thing you should learn in our world of AI is prompting.
Whoa, wow.
The number one thing you should learn in our world of AI is prompting.
That's pretty good lip sync. The audio generation with the Kawaii girl is absolutely terrible. So I think I can do it again.
The number one thing you should learn in...
Yeah, I have to record again. But yeah, it was pretty fast as well. This is Hedra. Hedra.
Learn in our world of AI is prompting.
I'm definitely going to be using it. Yeah, I think I should just use my own voice. Yeah. Okay. That's about me for this stream. Thank you guys a lot for joining. And I hope to see y'all next stream. Hope you have a good week. Yeah. Thank you, Aruga.